We are starting right away. So, like we said, today we are talking about file handling, or we are going to discuss fully about what file handling is. We're going to be using our Jupyter notebook. Okay. So, file handling allow Python program to store, retrieve, and manipulate data from files on the computer. It is key when dealing with tasks such as reading logs. If you are performing an operation, there is always something called log. uh, Writing records about the operation process. Some failed, some were successful, the time and everything. Writing reports in case everything that you're doing, writing reports. Sometimes this is then storing records. Sometimes you want to manually store records, like the one you do in Excel. It's handling file or saving user data. All those things are file handling, saving an information in form of file in a system, drive. So Python provides an inbuilt function called open and several methods to perform file operations, right? So performing file operations, this is the first thing is creating a file. How do we create file in Python? A file is automatically created when you open it with the right mode and using append as well, or exclusive X mode. So these are different way of opening the files: write mode, append mode, or exclusive mode. Call it wax. So quickly, let's open a file. Type to create a new file. Create if it does not exist. File equal to open. You open this open is the method that is inbuilt by Python, right? Helps you to open a file. Then you put the file name and the locations here, usually path, then the mode. Like we say, you can use write, you can use append, you can use exclusive, wax. So, and you can write into the file using the write function. The file that you created, if you use this, it should be created into this file, and the file that you created, you can write into it with a simple text. Then you can close the file immediately after this operation. When you open the file, you have to close it. Understand? Like you open a doc, when you're done, like you open a document, you write, you close, right? Quickly, let's start our Jupyter notebook. I'm going to create a new notebook here. Oh no, Control, where's that Jupyter? Control Shift, yeah. A new Jupyter notebook. Hmm. Going to save it. Going to save it inside section 5. File handling. I'm going to call that file handling. And this way we'll creating our files. Yes, a new notebook. Yes. No, just new notebook. Just create new notebook. New notebook. Mm, okay. No, no. Have you forgotten how to create new notebook? Notebook, like not a file. Yeah. Eh. You've seen notebook away. Uh-huh. Click it. Exactly. Then first thing we do, we open the file into and put it inside the variable. Call it file. It's equal to the open, right? This you can call it anything. I called it file handling. Inside section 5 folder. You good, right? So you create a new variable called file, and you use the open to open the file. We're going to open um, info or info.txt. We're going to open it as write. So yes, We'll pass in the file name inside the open and the mode, which is write. We're going to basically use write. So that's that. Then after that,